In today's video, I'm going to show you the way that you can use the message secret conversations. Welcome back to a new tutorial video on how Genic secret conversations are end-to-end encrypted, meaning besides you and the other person, any other person won't be able to view your chats or even hack those chats. Now, before Messenger had a separate option which you can turn on the secret conversation for each and every account. But Messenger has rolled out a new update where end-to-end encryption, meaning the secret conversation, is turned on by default. So any message that you now make, all of the messages are by default end-to-end encrypted. But for whatever reason, if yours is not turned on, you'll be able to tap on the eye icon on the top right of a personal chat, and then right here you'll be able to see the option called secret conversation. If you don't see the option called secret conversation, that means this particular message is also end-to-end encrypted. But however, what you can do is you can see the option called message permissions, and it says right here everyone in the chat can share messages with a Meta AI and autosave photos. If you don't want this option, you can just toggle this option off, and anyone inside of this chat, maybe even a group chat, won't be able to share messages to the Meta AI and also autosave photos into their gallery. So that's all there is in using the Messenger secret conversation. If this guide video did help you out, do let us know by giving it a thumbs up. If you guys are interested in more videos just like this, make sure you hit that notification bell.